Flipping websites is a great way to make money online. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Research. Research the market to find websites that have potential to be profitable. Look for websites with good traffic, a good domain name, and a solid track record. 2. Acquire. Purchase the website or negotiate a deal with the current owner. Make sure you know what you're getting and that you're not overpaying. 3. Optimize. Optimize the website for better performance. This can include things like making sure the website is mobile-friendly, improving the user experience, and optimizing the content for search engine optimization. 4. Monetize. Add monetization options to the website, such as affiliate links, advertising, and selling products and services. 5. Market. Promote and market the website to drive more traffic and increase the value of the website. 6. Sell. When the website is ready to be sold, list it on a marketplace or contact potential buyers directly. Negotiate a good price and make sure the sale is handled properly. By following these steps, you can make money flipping websites. Good luck!